Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make a FM transmitter. These are the components that we need: 1K resistor, 33K resistor, and 47K resistor. Also we are gonna need a 20 megahertz crystal and BC547 transistor and 22 picofarad capacitor. Okay, let's start now. I have mounted the capacitor to the transistor. One leg of the capacitor goes to the collector pin, the other one goes to the emitter pin. And now I'm going to solder on crystal, 20 megahertz crystal to the transistor. One pin goes to base pin and the other one goes to collector pin. This is the 47K resistor. I'm going to solder it on. One pin goes to base pin and other pin goes to collector pin of the transistor. You can solder this circuit on a pref board and it will be more durable. Otherwise it will be flimsy. I'm making the circuit like this so you can understand the circuit very easily. And here I'm connecting the 33K resistor to the circuit. Now connect the 1K resistor to the collector pin of BC547 transistor. Now I'm going to make the antenna. I'm using 1mm copper wire. You have to bend the copper wire like this. So if you are using a long wire, the signal strength will be great. Okay, now we are going to connect the audio jack to the circuit. Solder on the positive terminal of the audio jack to the 33K resistance. I mean the left pin or the right pin in the audio jack, and ground pin to the emitter pin of BC547 transistor. This is the audio jack I am using. It's 5.0mm jack. So the next step is to connect the power to the circuit. Here I am using 3.7 volt battery for powering the circuit. You can give 3.7 volts to like 10 volts or around that voltage. Here I am connecting the negative pin of the battery to the emitter pin and positive pin to the 1K resistance. Let's check the circuit. I have connected the audio jack to my tablet and I have powered up the circuit. let's play a song. This is my radio, and you can hear the sound from the radio. My tablet is transmitting audio through FM signals to my radio. You can use this circuit if you have a radio in your car without Bluetooth, so you can transfer audio to your car's FM radio.
I feel the rain crashing down.
Here you go, guys. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.